Amos Babilishili, better known by his stage name Amos, is a South African singer-songwriter. Amos was born on the 18th of January 1989 in the Johannesburg township of Tembisa. Both his parents were Christians and they made their kids go to church every Sunday. Amos hated church, but he only started enjoying it when he joined the church choir. As he grew older, his passion for music intensified, leading him to form his own choir while attending high school. Despite facing numerous challenges along the way, including financial constraints, Amos remained undeterred in his pursuit of musical excellence. One pivotal moment in Amos's journey came when he acquired a piano with his own savings and his school bus fare, a testament to his unwavering dedication to his art. After introducing music at his high school and achieving some success with the school's choir, he started being a sessionist and a vocalist for local house DJs while releasing his own music. This newfound instrument allowed him to further explore his musical talents and experiment with different sounds and melodies. Amos is his mother's lastborn. When he was growing up, his mother used to work in a hospital and she sometimes went to work with him. This played a huge role in making Amos think that when he grows up, he was going to become a male nurse. After graduating from high school, Amos went to college to study nursing but quickly dropped out to focus on making music. His mother was very heartbroken by his decision, but after some time, she was able to accept that her son was going to be a musician. His mother supported and believed in her son because she saw the amount of sacrifices and hardships that her son had gone through in order to make it into the music industry. From singing and playing piano in church to making music at his mother's house with his friends, Amos has been trying to break into the music industry for years. For the longest of time, Amos was making Afropop music, and he was really not a fan of the amapiano genre. However, this all changed when his neighbor introduced him to mass music. He was on the brink of giving up on music when mass music came to his house to ask for the Zaga vocals after he discovered the song on YouTube. Zaga was an Afropop song before getting remixed by mass music, Kabza De Small, and DJ Maphorisa to become a piano hit that has garnered over 2 million views on YouTube. At first, Amos didn't like the idea of his song getting remixed. The first time he listened to the Zaga remix, he was annoyed and he thought that the three producers had ruined his song. He couldn't even follow his own lyrics because the new version of the song was very fast. Within 3 hours after he handed the Zaga vocals to mass music, the song was already all over Instagram and people loved the song. After seeing the response from fans and how much they liked the amapiano version, Amos figured that he could bring something different to the amapiano genre. He set out to add soul and bring meaningful lyrics with a message onto the amapiano beats. This sentiment is often evident and echoed in his music. Songs like Bambelela, Ubukhona, and Bathetelele speak on perseverance, gratitude, and forgiveness, with an underlying spiritual theme, which is uncommon ground in most of the amapiano songs. Amos's entry into the music industry marked the beginning of a transformative journey that would propel him to stardom within the South African music scene. His breakthrough moments came when he met DJ Maphorisa, a meeting that would change the course of his career forever. Initially new to the amapiano music genre, Amos caught the attention of DJ Maphorisa with his raw talents and distinctive voice. It was during a studio session with DJ Maphorisa and fellow producer Kabza De Small that Amos's star began to rise. The trio collaborated on the hit single Emcimbini, which also features Something Soweto, a track that would become an instant sensation and solidify Amos's position as a rising star in the music industry. The song was inspired by the current generation and AMA 2000, which are the people born in or after the year 2000. The song was also inspired by Amos's sister, who had sneaked out to go partying and did not sleep at his home the weekend the song was recorded. After releasing Emcimbini, Amos expected his life to change for the better, only to find that things got worse because this was the time when the COVID lockdown started. There were no music festivals, which meant that musicians were not able to make money. And since Amos was still fairly new in the music industry, his situation was worse. He had no money. It even got to a point where he had to queue up at supermarkets to collect the 350 unemployment fund. He recalls that one of the most painful things that he experienced during this time was when he was in the queue to collect his 350 and a car passed by playing Emcimbini on blast. One of Amos's most notable collaborations came in form of his partnership with Mass Music on the EP Shona Malanga. Released in April 2020, the two Tembisa natives understand each other, are on the same wavelength musically, and often perform together at gigs. Shona Malanga includes hit tracks such as Ubukona and Bambelela. In September 2021, Amos released his highly anticipated debut album titled Imelo, featuring collaborations with some of the biggest names in the music industry, including Kabza De Small, Major League DJs, Josiah the Disciple, and Deben Koko. The album received critical acclaim and further solidified Amos's position as a leading figure in the Amapiano music genre. This album includes hit songs like Lifestyle and Risasekile. In addition to his solo work, Amos has also lent his talents to various collaborative projects, including African Lullabies Part 2, an album by Playton, and a collaboration with singer-performer Amifaku on the platinum-certified track Fatela, released on the 28th of October 2022. Amos's musical style is a fusion of traditional South African melodies, contemporary beats, and soulful vocals, making him a standout figure in the Amapiano music genre. His ability to seamlessly blend different musical elements creates a sound that is both familiar and innovative, drawing listeners in with its infectious rhythms and emotive lyrics. At the heart of Amos's music lies a deep appreciation for his cultural heritage and a desire to pay homage to the rich musical traditions of South Africa. Influenced by genres such as gospel, jazz, and kwaito, Amos infuses his songs with the elements of these styles, creating a sound that is uniquely his own. Popular songs by Amos: Izenzo featuring Basi, Eskela featuring Imo and Kabza De Small, Iskupu featuring Sam Deep and Jelik, Fatela featuring Amifaku, Amandla featuring Jessica M, Mama, Sengzwile featuring Mass Music and Youngstana, Alte Shapu featuring Mass Music. Amos's journey in the music industry has been marked by numerous achievements and accolades, reflecting his immense talents and contributions to the South African music scene. Throughout his career, Amos has received recognition from both fans and industry professionals, solidifying his status as one of the country's most influential artists. One of Amos's notable achievements is his nomination at the 27th South African Music Awards, where he received nods for the Best Amapiano Album and Best Duo or Group of the Year for the Shona Malanga EP. These nominations serve as a testament to Amos's impact on the music industry and his ability to resonate with audiences across genres and demographics. Amos scooped his first awards at the Metro FM Awards in 2024, winning Best Male and Best Music Video for Izenzo, in which he collaborated with Basi. In addition to his nominations at the South African Music Awards, Amos has also been recognized at the Global Music Awards Africa, where he received a nomination for Album or EP of the Year. This international recognition highlights Amos's growing influence and appeal beyond the borders of South Africa, showcasing his ability to connect with listeners on a global scale. From his humble beginnings in Tembisa to his rise to stardom in the Amapiano genre, Amos's journey is nothing short of inspiring. Through his music, Amos has touched the hearts of millions of fans around the world, captivating audiences with his soulful vocals and infectious melodies.